All right, happy homeowners. Remember a couple of days ago we were over here in San Bernardino getting started. This old original hardwood flooring had the pet stains, but man, we've just got this stained. I'm gonna turn it around. Don't even have the finish on it yet. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. There it goes, look at that. So stained this a couple hours ago, getting ready to start applying the clear coats of finish. But look at the earlier video, or maybe I'll splice these together. Walk through, remember this? Yeah. This floor is over 100 years old and it looks this good. Look at that. It looks this good. We ended up staining this the dark walnut. The feature strip around the fireplace still shows up. We didn't hide the pet urine stains 100%, but they don't jump out at you. You can barely see it. See it? Yeah, it's there. It just doesn't jump out at you. All right, guys. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. You want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors, reach out to us.